The wait is finally over. The DJI Pocket 4 is no longer just a rumor. According to the latest insider reports, DJI has officially begun mass production, signaling that the next generation handheld camera could launch within the next 2 to 3 months. Even more exciting, a prototype image of the Pocket 4 chassis has surfaced, giving us our first real look at what's coming. And it's sparking major buzz across the tech community. The leaked photo shows the Pocket 4 side by side with the Pocket 3, revealing both familiar design elements and intriguing new features. While the compact ergonomic body remains similar, DJI seems to have refined the texture and overall build, making it feel even more premium in hand. But the biggest mystery lies in the 2 new buttons spotted on the chassis, a first for the Pocket series. Their exact purpose hasn't been confirmed, but early speculation points to custom functions or improved zoom controls, addressing one of the Pocket 3's biggest weaknesses. Interestingly, these same extra buttons were previously glimpsed during a Barcelona promotional shoot, and now that the prototype confirms them, excitement is at an all-time high. Despite the new additions, DJI appears to be sticking with the 2-inch rotatable display, as the cutout and connector placement remain identical to the Pocket 3. This means fans can expect the same intuitive shooting experience, now likely enhanced with better ergonomics and smarter controls. With mass production already underway, the DJI Pocket 4 launch seems imminent. All signs point to a major reveal before year's end, and if these leaks are any indication, DJI's most portable camera is about to get its most powerful upgrade yet. The Pocket 3 earned global praise for its smooth 4K recording and portability, becoming especially popular in Japan's thriving creator community. The leaked image provides a remarkably detailed look at the Pocket 4 prototype. Subtle design refinements, including a slightly altered button layout, suggest DJI is focused on both usability and comfort. The button layout under the display has changed slightly in the new model. On the Pocket 3, this area only displayed the Osmo logo, which had no functional purpose. However, in the Pocket 4, DJI has replaced the logo with 2 additional physical buttons. These buttons are believed to be linked to the rumored dual camera setup, potentially allowing users to switch between main and secondary cameras, toggle focal lengths, or activate a split screen or dual view mode. Positioned for convenient thumb access, the new buttons reflect DJI's focus on giving creators faster, more intuitive control during filming, reducing reliance on touchscreen menus. Further digging reveals no official DJI link to the studio, hinting that it may belong to a freelance photographer or small production crew, a strategy DJI has used before for early promotional material. Meanwhile, locals in Barcelona have reported sightings of a possible DJI promo shoot, aligning with the leak's backdrop. If true, DJI is likely testing the Pocket 4's stabilization and performance in dynamic outdoor conditions, a fitting preview for a camera designed to capture life on the move.
Weighing approximately 116 grams without accessories, it's noticeably lighter than the Pocket 3, which came in at 179 grams. The new model measures 145 by 38.3 by 30 millimeters, making it taller, slimmer, and thinner overall. A clear step toward a more compact and travel-friendly profile. Its sleeker construction and ergonomic refinement make it especially appealing for vloggers and creators who value comfort and ease of use during long shoots or on-the-go filming sessions. The document also contains strict battery and safety guidelines, suggesting DJI is entering final testing phases before certification. From warnings about overheating and disassembly to firmware update notes, it reads like a manual ready for production. That alone signals how close the product might be to launch, potentially late 2025 or early 2026. But what's fascinating is what the document doesn't say. There's no mention of the camera specs, the true heart of the Pocket line. That silence is deafening. No word about a dual camera system, no 50-megapixel sensor, no 4K 240 frames per second capability, and no mention of the rumored ActiveTrack 7.0. These were all previously linked to an August 2025 prototype leak featuring asymmetrical lenses. So, has DJI gone minimalist, or are they hiding something bigger behind the NDA curtain? Pocket 4 versus Pocket 3, the physical evolution. When comparing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to the leaked Pocket 4, the first thing that jumps out is the drastic reduction in weight. The Pocket 4 drops nearly 35%, down from 179 grams to 116 grams, a huge leap for handheld creators who film for long stretches. Its dimensions are refined too, standing slightly taller at 145mm, but slimmer and narrower overall, giving it a more balanced, ergonomic feel. The Pocket 3 was known for its rotatable screen and 1-inch sensor gimbal head, features that gave it power but also bulk. The new, streamlined Pocket 4 frame suggests DJI has re-engineered the device to optimize stability, comfort, and portability, perhaps shifting some components internally or using a lighter gimbal architecture. If this is true, DJI might finally have struck the perfect balance between pro-level capability and true pocket-sized design. What it all means. The appearance of a finalized safety and battery document is no small event. It indicates that DJI has moved past the conceptual phase into hardware testing, a stage that usually happens just months before launch. The reduced weight might represent a base model, with a heavier Pro variant, the one rumored to feature dual lenses and 8K video, coming later. Meanwhile, DJI is reportedly clearing out Pocket 3 inventory, hinting at preparation for the Pocket 4's arrival. Pricing is expected to land between $699 and $799, depending on region and configuration. Battery life could extend to around 180 minutes, with improvements to low-light performance and integrated audio systems. A clear message to rivals like Insta360, GoPro, and Vivo that DJI isn't stepping back from the compact camera race. So, while DJI remains silent, the leaks are speaking loudly. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just an upgrade. It's a signal that DJI's next leap in handheld innovation is already on the runway. Something small, sleek, and surprisingly powerful is coming. And this time, it might just redefine what pocket camera really means.
Jasper Ellen posted that, fun fact, the drone has a camera sensor on top, but also on the bottom. And since the battery is above, I hope they also added a light underneath. Cheers. The leaked image offers an early look at the upcoming DJI Neo 2, a compact drone wrapped loosely in a transparent poly bag, suggesting it's a prototype or pre-production unit. The Neo 2 features a sleek, matte gray body with an integrated propeller guard design, surrounding its 4 rotors in a symmetrical, lightweight frame. This protective setup hints at DJI's focus on durability and indoor flight safety. At the center, the DJI logo is clearly printed, and just above it sits a power button with 4 LED indicators, likely used for battery level display. A small sensor is visible on the underside, supporting Jasper Ellen's comment about dual sensors placed on both the top and bottom. The top section seems to house the primary camera and battery unit, providing a clean, aerodynamic layout. Overall, the DJI Neo 2 looks like a versatile and well-balanced drone, engineered for stable flights in tight spaces, offering safety-focused innovation while maintaining DJI's signature, premium build, and minimalist aesthetic. Here's a comparison of the specs between the DJI Neo and the upcoming Neo 2, based on current leaks. Sensor camera. The DJI Neo features a half-inch sensor capturing 12-megapixel photos and 4K video at 30 frames per second, with a 14mm f2.8 lens. The rumored Neo 2 upgrades to a larger 1/1.3-inch sensor, offering better low-light performance, 4K at 60 frames per second, and potential 10-bit HDR video support. Battery and flight time. The DJI Neo features a 1,435 mAh battery, offering around 18 minutes of flight. The leaked Neo 2 reportedly upgrades to a 1,606 mAh pack, about 12% larger, delivering an extended flight time of approximately 20 to 25 minutes under optimal flying conditions. Size, weight, portability. The DJI Neo weighs around 135 grams with dimensions of 130 by 157 by 48.5 millimeters. The upcoming Neo 2 is rumored to stay under 250 grams, maintaining a compact form while introducing an improved propeller guard design for enhanced safety and durability. Other notable features and safety. The DJI Neo includes built-in propeller guards, downward sensors, and stabilization through EIS and a mechanical gimbal. The rumored Neo 2 enhances this with dual-layer guards, improved hybrid stabilization, stronger wind resistance, and upgraded transmission range for more stable, reliable flight performance. In short, the Neo 2 appears to offer incremental but meaningful upgrades over the original Neo, notably in the sensor, video capability, 4K at 60 frames per second, slightly longer flight time, and enhanced safety features.